So I'm just at the window cleaning shop, which is here. Airforce. Let's come and get some bits here. Go park round the back. Just here. Try and stay away from fire door. I need 2 new sections for my pole, but I might end up getting some other bits as well while I'm here. Just spares, like I normally do. So, let's go. Alright, Rash. I'm just going to record what you've got here. So he's got everything to do with hunger. All these trad stuff. Filters for RO system. All the hunger stuff. Hoses. Oh, I need a new hose. Resin. Tulsan resin. Spare bits. Gardiner backpack.
You're going to cut it and you're going to leave the other side. So
You even get a full system here.
that one lock. This will lock it up. This will look.
All Gardiner brushes.
Like that. Put this, and you have a lock. What do you think?
Famous one at the minute. This mini one. And all the RO stuff. Triggers. Goosenecks. And poles. So you get your CLX and your SLXs. Get everything here. So if you ever want anything, this is the shop to be. So I've just been to the window cleaning shop in Leeds called Airforce, and I've just bought 2 new SLX sections for my pole, the first and the second one, and I'm just about to change them over. So what I do is I just take the gooseneck out. I'll just disconnect it from this pole hose. Oh, it's tricky. That's just water that's left in the hose when I last switched it off. Put that down there. So take the first 2 sections out. That's the old section. The new section. I like having new sections. I just need to undo that now because the old pole needed tightening on. It was getting looser. And this pole should feel like new again. And it's a full SLX then. Apart from the extension I've got on it, that yellow tape makes it tricky to go down. Just loosen that up a little bit more. That's 1. That's 2. They look nice when they're new. Fab. So on Monday, that'll feel like a new pole. Now I'll just put my hose back through it. Thread that through. There we are. gets it connected. Somebody's tightened these up too tight. There we are. Back to having a new port. Just tighten it down a little bit more. There we are. All done. First section, second section, brand new. It'll feel nice again on Monday. Thanks for watching.